ready.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Yay! Finally, we arrive on this hill in the area of ITCI Hutani Manunggal. For your information, this is the candidate of the capital city of Republic of Indonesia. Beautiful, right? Teman-teman bisa lihat, sangat sejuk bukan? Bau daun terasa menembus paru-paru, sangat terasa nikmat. Oh ya, perjalanan kami sekitar 4 jam 58 menit dengan 2 mobil dari Balikpapan ke Sepaku II. Badan terasa remuk, teman-teman bisa lihat nih jalanannya.
We can't go in our car, so we have to, just walking. It's about 1 kilo. How many times we get lost?
I don't know.
It's about 3 times. I don't even know.
This waterfall has height of about 25 meters, which is located in the jungle of this industrial forest. The flow of the water that followed in the waterfall was quite swift, but still relatively safe, passing neatly arranged rocky cliff.